What's up, guys? Welcome. Crypto FUD, and let's jump right into this. So, just off rip, I want to just start off by saying everybody's been doing great as far as hitting those likes on the videos. Continue to hit those likes. We are bringing more and more people in, showing everybody what's going on right here with Milady and how Milady is going to take over the meme world. So, make sure you guys hit that like. If you're not already, hit that subscribe, and let's jump right in. So for Milady right now, she is having a slight little cool off right now. You can see right now she is trading at the 35.7. We have a couple spots marked up right here. So we are coming off this local or all-time high, I'm sorry, right here at the 43. Since then, she has been falling into this descending wedge, or what I love to call it as a bull flag. You can see right here, she is basically respecting the channel for the most part, right? Right now, still falling in that channel. And what am I predicting? Well, as of right now, we're going to have to see how the market plays out for today. For Bitcoin, we are seeing kind of the same move where it's having a little bit of a cool off. Right now, on the 2 hour, you can see for Milady, we are coming and looks like we're almost retesting this 20-day SMA. You can see for the most part, other than maybe right here, very briefly, we did break below the 20-day SMA. But for the most part, we have been respecting and basically finding it as some solid support. So I don't see why right now it wouldn't be the same unless something happens with the market and we start to have just a natural cool off for the whole market right now, which is perfectly fine if it does happen. The only thing I can say is just take advantage of any kind of dips that you see. They will be very short and fast, usually, especially depending on how fast we move down. We'll probably move faster moving up because you have a lot of people that are interested in Milady, and also they are interested in buying in on a fraction of the price, right? So with this bull flag playing out, I could see us maybe finding support where we're at right now. Maybe we need to come down and touch this 20-day, which would be somewhere around the 34.9, somewhere around there. And then maybe we see some kind of a big bounce. We are not far from the all-time highs where we're at right now. You can see from this cool off, we are technically about 20% down from this all-time high. But you can really see this all-time high was a pretty much a candlestick, right? Was the candle wick that made it up here, but it was very short lived. So you can really say that around this 41 was technically where we found some solid support around the high. The 43 was just a quick blimp up there. So, I mean, you can say we hit it, obviously, to make that high, but really somewhere around this 42, I would consider getting back towards our high, which is only 14% away. So we are, like I said, having a nice cool off. Take advantage of the dip. If this bull flag plays out like pretty much every single bull flag that we've kind of mapped out, you can see, and I could have put the channels on these too. They've played out basically all the same where we find a high, we retrace a little bit, find support, follows another high, go into this channel again, bull flag, descending wedge right here, find support on another run. Right now, we're doing the same thing. So spots to watch for some support, obviously, are going to be that 34, about the 34.9 right here at the 20-day. If we do break that, the 236 at the 33.2 is probably going to be the next spot for some solid support. You can see we bounced off of that already. So look for those two areas. Make sure you guys, my opinion, not financial advice, but eat up those dips because we are going to continue to run as we continue to move here. For Bitcoin, real quick, because we always do want to just monitor what Bitcoin's doing. You can see for Bitcoin, this is on the 2 hour as well. The 20-day right here, you can see it just bounced off that 20-day right here. So we'll have to see how today plays out. If it can hold this 20-day, Bitcoin's going to continue to make new all-time highs probably today and continuing as we move. Remember, we have the halving coming up in about 3 to 4 weeks now. Not far whatsoever. We're going to continue to pump. We are going to see small retracements up until then. March 20th is going to be the Fed FOMC meeting. So put that on your calendar. There's going to be some volatility most likely happening on March the 20th. So we will obviously check that out and make sure you guys are subscribed. We do go live every day at 6 o'clock, around 6 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, PM. And also, we did roll out a few days ago members. We have where you can join for $5 right now. You can join the channel, become a member. $5 right now, right? A bargain. It's going to go up. You're gonna get exclusive emojis when you are in the stream. You're gonna have your name's gonna be lit up in green, so I can answer your questions a lot easier. And the biggest thing is that you're gonna have exclusive content. We're gonna have members only lives sessions where you can basically almost have a one-on-one session with myself and ask whatever you want. But what we're going to really do is dive in on leverage trading, day trading, how I find support levels, fib retracements, the SMA moving averages. You guys know I like to use those very well. All that good stuff and more we're going to have. So make sure you guys hit that join button. It should be right next to the subscribe under the video. Hit the join whenever you can and come join the team. Now, as far as Milady, you can see we have dropped down on market cap. Obviously, we are down to about 263. Yesterday, we did break above the $300 million mark. So we are, like I said, having somewhat of a cool off. But if you do see for the week, Milady is up almost 240%. And for the month, she's sitting at around 460% up for the month. So you can see how she's been kind of running, where she'll find a high, like I said, and then she'll retrace a little bit, find some support, go on another high, and it's over and over and over. So I wouldn't be surprised if right now we're pretty much doing the same thing. But one thing everybody keeps coming up and asking is it too late to buy in on Milady? What I can say is we don't know what the market's going to bring, as we move forward, right? We know we're probably going to stay on this bullish run, as a market, right? Bitcoin's going to continue to keep making all-time highs. We have a lot lined up for this year for us to not think that we're going to stay bullish. So do I think right now is a good time to buy in? You got to do your own research. But the best thing I can say is dollar cost average in, right? So don't go all in if you have $1,000. Maybe throw 100 here, 100 there, buy the dips, and just dollar cost average in. That can be the best opinion that I have as far as if someone was to jump in right now. Or if you're already in and you want to just keep adding to your bag, dollar cost average in. For the volume for Milady, we are up 50% at around $71 million. So everything is still looking perfectly great for Milady and for the markets. And you can see as we speak right now, we're basically hanging and we're finding support at the bottom of this channel. So I wouldn't be surprised, like I said, for spots for some support if we do break below the channel is going to be this 20-day right here at the 39. And maybe if you have the opportunity somewhere around this 33 at the 236 are going to be two levels that you're going to want to watch for some support. But guys, everything's looking great. Make sure, like I said at the beginning of the video, hit this like. Let's get the likes up. We did very good. The last one, I think we got like 200 and something likes. Let's keep it rolling. We're bringing more people into the space. Milady is going to be the top meme coin. This is how you can help the community. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, and come join the members only club if you can. $5. It will be increasing as we move on. So other than that, guys, thank you so much. Have a wonderful day, and I will see everybody tonight at 6 p.m. for the live. See ya.